Hi and welcome to the demo for Smart Blog Networks. Now in Smart Blog Networks what we can do is we can completely manage and automate the content posting to your blogs. Now in the front end software we have three different tabs. We've got Smart Network, Smart Domain Finder and Smart Silo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of each one, what they do and how you can use them. Now in Smart Network this is the management interface for managing all your domains that you add into the network with inside the application. Now you can see I've already added a domain in Instant Domain Sniper. So what you do is you add in your domain name, you tell it which database you want it tied to. So for example US, UK, Canada, Russia. Tell it the application whether you have WordPress installed, tell it whether you want it to search for keywords, add in the username and password for your domain. Click add domain, and what it does, starts to find the information for it. So for example it finds domain authority, page authority, Moz Trust, Moz Rank. We're going to have PR in here as well. It pulls keywords that are actually related to the domain rather than just keywords with it, rather than keywords that are related to keywords within the domain. These keywords are actually related directly to the domain. It tells you whether WordPress is installed. It tells you backlinks amount. Now at the moment it's set just to 10. By the time this is launched it's going to pull an unlimited amount of backlinks. It's going to show you all the backlinks where they're coming from. You're going to be able to download those backlinks to CSV as well. Now it tells you whether it's posting to your blog or whether you have any posts ready to be submitted or scheduled. You can optimize the blog here. You can edit and delete it here. So for example you can change the database you want it attached to. If you attached it to US you can change it to US, UK, etc. You've got a full graph down here. We've got backlinks and domain authority at the moment, but also we're going to have page authority, Moz Trust, Moz Rank, PR, and keywords and backlinks are all going to be down here. You can create a graph for the month, whatever. So what you can do then is you can optimize this domain. If you click optimize, you can start building posts and content to the domain. So for example it pulls keywords that are related to the domain. So you've got GoDaddy email login. So for example if I wanted to build a post for GoDaddy email login, it pulls me two articles which I can automatically spin, and if I want to use this article all I need to do is click here. It'll take me to Smart Submitted where it pulls the main keyword, and then it can also pull related keywords, but there's no related keywords for this post, this main keyword, sorry. Now with related keywords it finds you information, etc. I'm going to show that in a minute. Now you've got a full WordPress editor here. Everything WordPress can do it you can do in here, so you can optimize this post, change it around if you want, put links in, whatever. You select which category it's tied to, you can add in some tags, and then you can schedule the blog post or you can just post it automatically. Now I'm just going to show you this. For example, smart content, if you wanted to use GoDaddy and you wanted to use this post, you see here it shows you related keywords and you get lots of information about those related keywords as well. So GoDaddy email, it tells you the search volume, cost per click, competition, etc. You can add it to the tags. So if I click here, it'll automatically add it to the tags. You can also automatically add it to the post or link to the post, and you can link to any post on the site and it'll give you a drop down menu of any post that you've already submitted. So that's Smart Network. In Smart Domain Finder, what you can do is you can find domains that are based around keywords. So for example if I wanted to look at expired domains, just add that keyword in there or keywords, choose the database I want those keywords tied to. So for example US, UK. So if I want to use US, hit search and it gives me related keywords to these main keywords I've added in. So for example domain name search, it tells me search volume, cost per click, competition, results. It tells me whether the trends are up and down. Organic results, paid results. We're also going to have the link to those built into the launch software. And what it can do is it will search for domains related around those keywords. So available domains, domain name search, you've got domain availability. And I can save those to the CSV file as well, but what I could do is optimize selected keywords. So it'll go out and it'll check rules to see if those domains are available in different TLDs. We're going to have a lot more TLDs as well at launch. At the moment we're just testing 4. You can automatically buy those domains and add them in directly into your smart network and start optimizing and building content for those domains. Right, in Smart Silo, this is probably the most useful part of this tool and the one that you're going to get the most traffic from. So in Smart Silo, what you can do is you can choose a domain in your network, which is in Smart Network. So I've got Instant Domain Sniper. You can start building a content related silo inside that domain. So for example, if I wanted to do how to buy expired domains, I select the database, I'm going to use US, I'm going to hit search, and then what it does, it finds me keywords related to those ones I've just added there. And then so for example, I could view available domain names for sale, how to sell a domain name, selling expired domains. So I can choose up to 10 different keywords here. So what it's done, it's built me a post, it's found me an article, spun it, added it to this domain name, and what it's going to do then, it's going to build articles and posts from articles, and it's going to add them directly linked to this main post. So what I'm going to do is I've selected for that, I'm going to build your silo structure. So you can see what I can do now is I've got available domain names, those are keywords. I can change those if I wish, but what I can do is I can get an article. You can see it's already pulled it and it's spun it. You can edit it here. Then what I can do then is I can link any keyword in this post directly to the main post in the silo. For example, I could use authority. If I want to link authority, just copy that keyword, or you can search for a keyword if you want to use a specific keyword, and just click search keyword, and then what it's done is linked that keyword authority to the main post here. And you can automatically ping the post, you can automatically index the post, you can post it now or schedule it. So what you can do is you can do up to 10 different posts, all linking back to this main post. You can drip feed them out, or you can post up to 2 instantly. Each post will be pinged, each post will be indexed as it gets submitted, added onto the site, and they're all linking back to this main post. Now you've got Smart Silo Stats, which if you can select your domain and then you can see which posts you've actually submitted. So for example, if I wanted to use this as my main post that I've already submitted, the expired domains are the best. It tells me what posts have been posted on what date. It tells me which I've got scheduled. Now you can edit those if you wish, and also on here it's going to tell us whether these have been pinged, whether they've been indexed, and we're also going to show some stats here for how they're ranking, etc. So that's Smart Blog Networks. Hope you enjoyed the little demo. If you've got any questions, please ask.